I love creating and being involved in anything that has to do with art.
I don't know if this is exactly a passion, but to me, being an artist is being able to look at the world in a way we're not forced to. It's simply freedom.
What fulfills me is being really passionate about the people that I meet and the experiences that I have.
Working for my dreams fulfills me, but also staying at home with my loved ones. Balance is always key. The best advice I think I've ever been given is to always be yourself, no matter what. You don't need a resolution. This is a revolution.